Principal Theatre. This is another fine example of modernism in the city, although this time at the service of art and entertainment. The Principal Theatre retains its original early 20th century structure of an Italian theatre, and its interior features the careful decoration so characteristic of this artistic movement. Still in active service, the theatre stages the eagerly awaited Christmas performances of the Belém de Tirisiti, a puppet theatre which has been officially declared an asset of cultural interest. Over the recent years, thousands of children from all over the region of Valencia have flocked to Alcoi to see the Belém performances. Together with the centenary Cabalgata de Reyes Magos, a parade featuring the Three Kings, which is the oldest procession of its kind in Spain, and its fantastic pages climbing the stairs loaded with presents, the Belém shows are the very essence of Christmas and the Epiphany in Alcoy.